Hello and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Kate, and here at Sallie Tomato we enjoy bringing you video tutorials that both educate and inspire. Today we're going to be making the Merry and Bright Quick Clip Decor. This no-sew hair accessory is a fun fit for all ages. Being a beginner-friendly pattern, this is a great project for a variety of family members to create together over the holidays. Not only are these clips a cheery hair accessory, but they also make fun decorations for packages and other home decor. This project is perfect for small pieces of cork and faux leather fabrics, making it a great scrap buster. Be sure to follow your pattern to cut out the fabric pieces that you'll need. There are 3 different designs included, and they're in 5 sizes to suit a variety of clips. Apply tape or glue to the outer edge of the clip, ending the pieces of tape or glue even with that visible open slot in the narrowest end of the clip. You may find it helpful to cut narrow strips of tape to fit the smaller clips. With right sides up, position the widest fabric end of the largest fabric piece at the widest end of the clip, just as I'm doing here. Press in place with your fingers. You may need to add a little extra tape or a dot of glue as we're adding the second fabric piece. Now secure the next layer and the additional layer to complete each design. I'm creating the Christmas tree, so I have a lower section, a middle section, and a little star topper. If you're using glue, you may want to add sewing clips to hold the decor shapes in place just long enough for the glue to set. Leaving the sewing clips in place for a minimum amount of time is a great idea. Several hours or even overnight may cause an imprint on your fabric surface. Have fun and make one in every size clip that you might have. And have fun with color selections. A holiday tree can become a shooting star with just a color change and transform delightful dots into a smiling snowman. And be sure to add festive sparkle with accents of crystals, sequins, glittery paints, or even markers. We hope you're inspired to create something special for your merry and bright holiday. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make these one-of-a-kind accessories. Let us know in the comments if you have other questions or suggestions. Please share and show off your photos using the hashtag SallieTomato on social media. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. That way you'll always know when there's a new video on our channel. I hope you'll check out our website and our blog for more fun and creative ideas. Until our next video, have a great making day.